What is cancer? Your body is made up of trillions of cells. Normally, these cells grow, divide, do their job, and die when their time is over. But here is an important question. What happens when cells stop following these rules? Cancer begins when some cells start dividing uncontrollably. They ignore signals telling them to stop. They don't die when they should. Instead, they keep growing and eventually cause harm. Why do healthy cells become cancerous? This leads to another question. How does a normal cell become dangerous? The main reason is damage to DNA. DNA works like an instruction manual that tells cells how to behave. When these instructions are damaged, cells can lose control. This damage can happen due to aging, radiation, harmful chemicals, certain viruses. How does cancer grow? As uncontrolled cells multiply, they form masses called tumors. These tumors compress on nearby tissues and interfere with how organs work. So the critical question is, why is cancer so hard to stop? Because cancer cells come from your own body. They look very similar to normal cells, which makes them difficult to detect and target. What is metastasis? The most dangerous stage of cancer is when it spreads. This process is called metastasis. Cancer cells can break away from the original tumor, travel through the blood or lymph system, and form new tumors in other parts of the body. Can cancer be treated? Yes. There are treatments such as surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and immunotherapy. But the final question is, why does cancer still exist, and why can't it be completely cured? Because cancer is not a single disease. There are hundreds of different types, and each behaves differently. Cancer cells also come from the body's own cells, constantly mutate, and can adapt to treatments. This variability makes a single permanent cure impossible.